guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Lydia, and if you're not new, thank you so much Butterfly for coming back to my video today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this really easy install for a beginner like me. This was super, like, it looks really good if you ask me, or if I do say so myself. And this hair today is from Aliexpress. I'm going to tell you all about it in the video, showing you guys some bomb products as well. So if you like to see how I did this or how I achieved this hair, if you're also a beginner like me, just stick around, okay? Because I assure you this is very beginner friendly. I didn't even use any glue, and look at how flat that install is right there. I'm proud of myself. Please keep on watching, give this video a thumbs up in case you end up enjoying it, and let's get into the video. I'm no hair guru, so bear with me, okay? What I will be using today is provided by Aliexpress Hair, and it came with this card, all the information on how to care for the hair, more details here. It also came with 2 wig caps. This is the silk bag it came in. It's their 99J 4x4 closure unit, and this is what the hair looks like right out of the packaging. It is super soft. Show you what it looks like inside. It has like hooks, really nice hooks to make sure your hair is secure, adjustable straps as well. This is the lace. The lace looks like it's already even my shade already, to be honest. Yeah, I'll just have to put a bit of foundation on it. To show you guys this stuff, it's a monopod tripod thingy, because that's where I'm going to be placing my phone. I'm following a tutorial on YouTube by Lewis, so I'm going to just show you guys how to work it. It's basically a selfie stick. You just pull up this top part here, and as you're pulling it up gently, this part is unraveling, and then once you're done pulling it out, the tripod part activates, and then you can just place this. You use this part to record. It's really good if you want to record videos on your phone. I use this when I'm holding my phone in my hand. I use this when I want to take like pictures. So selfie stick and tripod all in one, so you can literally just place it on any stable surface. You can also adjust this part to the side so that your phone can be, you know, vertical as opposed to horizontal, and you can adjust it back to be, you know, vertical as well, and it fits pretty much any phone. I'm going to leave their link, really affordable. I'm going to leave their link down in the description. Just the fact that it's really compact, that's how you close it. Just close it up, and then your phone tripod can literally go anywhere with. This is just right off the bat. I've not plucked. I'm not going to even pluck, to be honest, because I feel like this looks quite nice already, the hairline, and I don't want to ruin it by plucking it. What I'm going to do is, from the tutorial I'm watching, I'm going to put foundation all over my lace. This is so exciting because I've never been a redhead before, and I really love it. Like, the color looks so pretty. That is what it looks like. I'm also going to cut out these 2 parts here, right here and right here, just so the install is a lot more like flawless and looks like a frontal rather than a closure, based on the tutorial I'm following on. So I have both sides cut off now. It will look a lot more natural. Oh my god, it feels so soft. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry the hair, just so the strands are a lot more. I'm going to blow dry the hair. That's the step I'm following. This is a professional hair dryer, and it basically has so many features. I'm going to show you now how cute it looks. It has so many features. It has this mouth, this nozzle that you can pretty much attach and detach right here. It looks so cute. You can use it for any type of styling you want to do, and you get a 40% discount code when you use my code. It goes for $45.99, but when you use my code, you get to buy it for $27. I'm going to leave all the links to everything I'm showing in this video down below because I got you in this 2021. This hairdryer is so cute. Like, I've been looking to get a new hairdryer, not those really old ones that we are used to here in Nigeria. There's also this really big one in case you're drying your natural hair, and you just attach it in. Just attach it in, and then you like go like. So once again, professional hairdryer, I would highly recommend it. The link is going to be in my description box, but for today I'm just going to use this other I don't even know, I think I'll just use it like this, to be honest.
Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting a pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG.
This is really strong and is really like, I blow dried this in half the time that it would have taken me, and it got hot quickly. I love it, and it's super cute too, super cute. I love it. I'm going to link it in case you want to buy it for just $27. So I'm going to go ahead and pat my hair, like try to get a center pattern for it first on the wax stick, just to make this lay down first before I go in with my hot comb to make it lay even flatter. So the wax is going to hold down the hair a bit for me. I'm going to go ahead and just clip this back.
Faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
I'll be using my LYDIA luxury hair band just to tie it down. I'm going to go ahead and start to hot comb this other part.
You always posting a pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me.
The YouTuber's tutorial I'm following right now is Lewis. I'm going to leave it in the description box in case you want to follow her. She's a really good hair YouTuber, and her tutorials are quite easy to follow through. So that's what's helping me with this install right now. This hair from Aliexpress is so soft, like it's making my job so easy. She says to just hold the scissors and just hit it on the lace until it cuts out, like gives the most natural finish. So that is what I'm going to do. Go ahead and cut this up a bit.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up. meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
So the cream I'll be using today is from Emma Beauty, and the place you can get it from on Amazon is at Hairdryer shop. Another thing it does have is this swivel cord that goes 360, and it has it's a 3-in-1 curling wand, as you can see. It goes up to 450 degrees right here. I don't know if you can see that. It's a 2-in-1 straightening and curling iron. The ceramic helps to protect the hair from heat damage, and this is so cute. Like the color, it's already getting hot. This thing is scaring me so much. I want like beachy waves in the hair, but I'm so scared of it like burning me because of how hot it has gotten.
Foundation, make a name for generations, please, and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away.
I'm terrified of this thing burning
you
my
always
ears.
posting up
1, 2,
pictures,
3,
trying to
4,
look like you
5,
winning,
6,
or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on
this iron is getting really hot. Wow, I love it so much. Like, I'm barely even leaving this and it's already giving me the colors I want.
I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Guys, so I'm really running late. I just got called to meet up like where I'm supposed to be at, so I can't really show you the whole. I don't have the time to crimp the hair throughout, but that iron got really hot really fast. It even burnt my ear. That's how hot it got quickly. So I advise you to be careful while using it, and if I had the time I would have shown you crimping all my hair, because I really even want to see how it should look like. But definitely check them out. I'm going to leave all their details down below, all the details to this hair, really affordable. I'm going to leave it in the description box. Everything I showed you, the selfie stick, the blow dryer. You want to see more hair videos from me, let me know down below as well. What do you think about this color on me as well? I've never tried red hair before. I'm going to be a redhead today and I love it so much. This is how long the hair is. This is where it's getting to me. It's a 20-inch hair and it is so soft, so soft. I really love this hair. I have to run out the door right now. Check out all the links to everything I showed down below. I'm going to leave all of them with the discount codes as well. They really are affordable. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Please give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts on this color on me. Let me also know like what you think. Would you be rocking this hair? Would you try it out? Is red hair something you've wanted to try out? Let me know down below as well. The video with this makeup look is going to be linked somewhere, or it's already on my channel. Make sure you check it out, and if you want to see how I achieved this look from start to finish. Thank you so much for watching once again. It really means so much to me that you stayed up until this point. I'm going to see all your amazing butterflies in my next video. Bye. Mwah.